here to show what I gifted Paku.
Okay.
Let's see. 10th August 2012. My Paku just born. This picture was taken when after 15 or 17 minutes after one. I didn't know these small eyes will become so big eyes.
Then 1 month.
Super excited. I got a living toy. 1 month old Paki. Paku is as anxious as me to embrace. 1 year old Paku. She took her first step on her birthday. 2-year-old Paku. She loves to pose and got her first mundan that year. 3 years old Paku. Trying hard to blow off the candles. Missing daddy as daddy went out of station.
And those were magic candles. I remember saliva coming out both. 4 years old Paku.
She always had to imitate me at those times.
5 years old Paku.
5 years old Paku. She had long hair and used to pamper mom to make
That day
different
she-
hairstyles. She made 5 braids at school.
I was looking like a
alien.
6-year-old Paku.
Daddy loves to lick Paku's fingers. She was very excited because her best friend Riti Gupta came over. She has hidden hair. Hidden behind her hand. 7 years old Paku. Her demand was to go to Barbecue Nation for celebrating. She enjoyed the way her day was celebrated.
How they sang?
Congratulations, celebration. Wish you a very happy birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday.
You enjoyed that, right?
Stylu Paku learned.
And for lunch we went to
Vahji
Wunderbar. You remember? And
After
then the
school
latest
day.
one, 8 years old Paku.
Even in lockdown last year, her birthday was celebrated. The birthday celebration was far-fetched. We all enjoyed a lot. My gorgeous, intelligent little sis looking absolutely fabulous.
Now please give me a click. Cute click. Special